Hey there, welcome to a drawing tutorial, and today we will see how to draw an alien driving a car. So, here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my pencil. Here's my compass cause I'm gonna draw the wheels of the car. Another smaller circle. And one more. And here's the tiny one. And I'm using my black pen to draw inside the wheels. Finally, I'm using my black marker. Okay, now it's looking like the car's tire. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks with the eraser. Now I'm drawing the car's body. Here's its looking glass. This is the car's door. Now let's start drawing the alien. This is the alien's long hand. And here's its big eye. Let's draw its nose. I'm using my pencil. My drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm using my blue highlighter pen. use my pencil to create a dark gray color. Now I'm using blue color. A little bit of pale orange. Blue again in the mirror. Once again, I'm using my pencil. My drawing is done, and this is how you can draw an alien car within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.